Welcome back to Dad Deals for this week's edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for the week, August 12th, 2024. Of course, I got to mention that today starts the parking lot sale over at Harbor Freight if you're an Inside Track Club member. And if you're not one of those members, you can start shopping on Friday, August 16th. I did a whole video on it. I did a top 10 things video on it. So go check out those. It's probably one of the biggest sales that Harbor Freight has had all year. First up, we have this Keurig My K-Cup. This is a reusable Keurig cup that you can put your own coffee grounds in and still use that Keurig coffee maker. This is a Keurig branded one, so it's the name brand. It's not an off-brand one. And this has a new multi-stream technology that apparently can give you more flavor into your coffee. But this is over 50% off at just $7 right now over at Amazon. So if you're the type of person that likes to use their own grounds of coffee but still likes to use those K-Cup machines, definitely check out this. This is a great price for one of these. Here we have a 10mm socket. Yes, it is just a single socket over at Amazon, but it is just 91 cents. So really just a no-brainer here for probably the socket that is missing out of your set in your garage. So if you have Amazon Prime, you're getting that free shipping. Just get it for 91 cents. And yeah, just a 10mm socket here. Switching over to Home Depot, they have this great deal on these Ryobi batteries. These are the high performance 6 amp hour batteries. You're getting a 2-pack here for $159, but you actually also get a free 4 amp hour of the high performance battery as well. So you're getting 2 of the 6 amp hour, 1 of the 4 amp hour of the high performance Ryobi batteries for $159. So that's a great price, especially if you need to get some extra of these batteries and maybe replenish some old ones that you may have. From Milwaukee, they have their M12 Fuel 12 volt oscillating multi-tool. This comes with a 2-pack of their 5 amp hour extra capacity XC batteries and a charger, plus some sanding pads, a hook and loop disc, and a blade, all for $185. That is 45% off the normal price. You do need to pick up this today as it is a special buy of the day. Milwaukee has a couple of these deals going on, so here's the one with the 5 3/8 inch circular saw. That comes with a 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries and charger for $185, same price. And then one more example here is the cutoff saw that also comes with the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour XC batteries and charger for $185. So if you're a Milwaukee fan, especially on that M12, that slimline battery, these are some great deals to pick up. From Rigid, they have their 18 volt power inverter kit. This comes with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger for just $79. But yeah, just to reiterate here, you do need to pick these up today, Monday, August 12th. These are a special buy of the day, all of these items from Home Depot. And then one more deal here from Rigid is their multi-tool kit. This actually comes with 2 amp hour batteries and a charger for just $89. That is an absolute steal. That is 72% off the normal price. So yeah, act fast on these. These are only valid today, Monday, August 12th. Amazon has one of the lowest prices I've ever seen on these Apple AirTags. This is a 4-pack for just $73. These work incredibly well. They have an easy to replace battery, and I have them on my key rings. I put them in luggage. They're really easy to use, especially if you already have an iPhone. You can just use that Find My app. It really seamlessly works great in there. So yeah, check out these if you're interested. This is the lowest price I have ever seen on these. Also from Amazon, a nice deal on this outlet extender. This has 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port. It also has 6 AC ports. The whole thing can swivel to give you access to the other outlet port. So this thing just looks awesome, maybe to use behind a nightstand, something like that, travel with it. But this thing is just $10, and you can also redeem an extra 10% off code here if it pops up for you on your Amazon site. Switching over to Walmart, it is unfortunately ant season. Ants are going to try to find their way into your house during this month of August. So if you find yourself with an ant problem or you just want to prepare in case one comes up, check out these Terra liquid ant baits. This is really one of the best things you can get to take care of an ant problem. And these are on sale right now for just $4.41 for a 6-pack of these self-contained bait stations. You just open these up, put them where the ants are. They all will get attracted to it for like maybe a day or so, and then you won't see them ever again. They'll all be dead. Also, a pretty interesting clearance item over here from Walmart is a movie projector screen that can hook to a canopy. But this is on sale for just $12. Can make an outdoor movie night really easy to set up. This hooks right to one of these canopy pop-up canopies. And kind of as an extra bonus, when you're doing an outdoor movie, a lot of times sunlight can really ruin it and make you not be able to see it, where this automatically gives you that shade. So you could probably start the movie a little bit earlier in the day. But check out this, just 12 bucks. Just keep in mind that this does not come with the canopy. This is just the projector screen. And then one more Walmart clearance deal here. We have the Slumberjack folding director's chair with a cup holder. This is just 15 bucks. This can collapse up easily, so if you need an extra one of these chairs, check out this, just $15, a great price. Switching over to Lowe's, this is the same deal that was in my Lowe's video earlier this month, but here's a nice retro style microwave that would be perfect to fit in a dorm room for college season. This is a 700 watt microwave and it's on sale for just $32. Lowe's also has a great deal on these Cobalt Quiet Tech air compressors. Here's the large 26 gallon vertical one. This has 150 PSI rating, and this is $40 off right now at just $340. You also have a really nice deal on the highly rated Cobalt 10-inch job site table saw. This one has the gravity rise stand, a little bit nicer stand. This one is $300 at $50 off the normal price. And then you also have one with just the folding stand. So if you don't really need that gravity stand, check out this one. You can save a little bit more money. It's the same table saw at $219. Lowe's also has this great deal on this mega set of DeWalt tools. Here we're getting a 9-tool 20-volt max power tool combo kit. Comes with a soft case and 2 batteries and a charger included. Looks like here you're getting the drill driver, flashlights, multi-tools, circular saw, reciprocating saw, angle grinders, even a job site radio down here. All this for $600. Cobalt is also running a sale with a lot of these tools on the 24-volt max line, where you're going to get a free battery with the tool. Here we have the 6-inch cordless polisher for $140, and you're getting a free 2 amp hour battery with that and charger. So a nice deal here if you want to expand your collection of Cobalt tools. Another example here is the portable bandsaw for $180. You're getting also that 2 amp hour battery and charger for free. There's a lot of these tools to choose from, so if you're a fan of this Cobalt 24-volt line, check out this deal. Lowe's also having a major clearance event on a lot of their patio stuff. Here we have the Patio umbrella. This is the 10-foot commercial grade auto tilt for $180. That is $268 off the normal price of a ridiculous $450. So this is a much easier price to swallow. So check out this. They have a lot of their patio stuff on deep clearance. Another nice example of a deal here on a propane gas fire pit table for $300, half off the normal price. These would be great on a nice cool fall night. Switching gears back to Home Depot, we have this Ryobi multi-tool and 5-inch random orbit sander combo kit for just $69, 50% off the normal price. These are tool only. You will need to have batteries on hand. Like those Home Depot deals earlier, this is today only as well, a special buy of the day. There's a lot of these going on at Home Depot right now. Here's another one, a Ryobi 3-tool storm combo kit, so kind of a hurricane emergency kit. You're getting a power inverter, a 2 amp hour battery and charger, a light, and a radio for $120. Here's another camping version combo kit here with the nice fan. I love this fan from Ryobi. You're also getting a camp light, a Bluetooth speaker, and a 1.5 amp hour, pretty weak battery and charger there, but all this for just $69. A nice rigid cordless combo kit here. You're getting a 4 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, a charger and bag, plus a circular saw, reciprocating saw, and 2 drill drivers for $240. Here's the very popular top rated DeWalt table saw and stand combo kit. Really is a basic stand that you're getting here, but hey, it works. But this one is $300. So a nice deal here on the DeWalt. Here from Home Depot, you also have the 211-piece Husky Mechanics tool set on sale for $130. These, of course, have that Husky Home Depot lifetime warranty. These have 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch drives and 1/2-inch drives available as ratchets. This is a great set. Comes in a nice hard shell case to keep in your truck, take with you places. This is going to give you everything that you need at a nice price here at $130. Another rigid deal here, we have the 18-volt 4 amp hour max output battery, a rapid charger, and a panel light for $200. And you don't see too many Makita deals these days, but here's a nice one on the 6-piece kit that actually comes with a stick vacuum. You don't see that very often. This is all for $400. You're also getting a 3 amp hour battery and charger. And then the last deal here is on the Ryobi outdoor patio sweeper. So this could help with some fall cleanup coming up when those leaves start to fall. But this one is just $89. It is tool only though, so you will need to have some batteries. That's it. Those are all the deals this week. Again, check out the links in the description below. As always, like the video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.